Good morning, sir.
Yes, good
Morning,
morning.
sir.
We
Good
are in
morning,
the
sir.
last exercise of the
Good
chapter.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Here the question is to find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. There are statements given here. We need to find the error. If there is a mistake, we need to find it. Is the given statement correct? Is the first
Sir,
statement correct?
First one answer is
minus 20, sir.
20 should come, sir. Minus 20.
Minus 20.
There it is
It will
written
be
4x
4x minus 20. So the error is
5.
Five,
Minus
sir.
it has to be minus 20. In the second one, is there a error? When x is multiplied to
Yes, sir.
3x
It should
plus
be
2,
2x
2x.
instead of 2.
2x, sir. 2
2x,
is
sir.
the error.
Plus 2x.
so 3x square plus 2x, it has to be 2x.
2x.
Is there a error in this third one?
2x
Yes, sir.
plus
Sir,
3y.
it is addition, sir.
It
And the
can't be
answer is
added.
multiplication.
If I make this as xy and this as yx, will it be correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Error is there in this. So here I can make this as xy and this as xy. How about the fourth one?
6y.
6y, sir.
6x. Sir, 6x should be there.
It has to be 6x.
6x, yes, sir.
How about the fifth one?
Sir, it should be 1, sir.
Y.
8y, sir.
Y.
Sir,
Sir, it should be y.
Y.
Should be y.
This should
yes,
be
sir.
y.
Y.
In this,
5x.
Sir, it is addition.
Where must be
Sir, it should be multiplication.
if I make this as 3x square plus 2x square, it will become 5x square.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are all very good at finding the errors. Very
Yes.
good.
Sir, also no, sir.
Seventh one. Seventh one, is it correct?
Sir, 4x square, sir.
Let me
Instead
write
of
seventh
2x
one
square.
here. When 2x whole
Sir,
square is done, we get
sir,
4x
it should
square
be 6x.
4x square, sir.
plus 8x plus 7. So this has to be 4.
4x.
Same goes for eighth one. When 2x whole square is done, we get 4x square
Yes, 2x should be written.
plus 5x. And here, it cannot become 9x. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So answer is only this much.
Yes, sir.
Coming to ninth one, it is a plus b whole square identity. When we use that,
9x square.
9x square plus
9x
2ab term,
12x. 12x.
12x
So
plus
6x.
4.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
4.
Now question number 10, substituting x is equal to minus 3 in first a, what do we get? Minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. The substitution is correct in this. When 3 square is done, we get 9. When 5 into minus 3 is done, here is a change. This
Minus
becomes
15.
minus
Minus
15
16 should
plus 4. Minus 15 plus 4 is minus 11. Minus 11 added to 9 is minus 2. The answer
minus
should be minus 2. Yes. In the B, minus 3 square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. The substitution is correct. When we square this, it is 9, correct?
9
This
Plus
is
15.
changed.
minus plus
This
4
has
is
to
equal
be
to
plus 15.
correct, sir.
When plus 15 is done, 9 plus 15 is 24 plus 4. Answer
28,
is
sir. 28.
positive 28. In this third one, substitution is again correct.
Minus 3.
This
9
has
should
to be positive 9 plus 9.
Yes, sir. Positive 9, sir.
This is
Minus into
correct.
minus positive.
This is correct.
Yes,
9
sir.
minus 15 is? What is 9 minus 15?
plus 6.
Sir, 6, sir. Minus
Minus
6.
6.
Minus
minus 6.
6, sir.
11th one. It is a minus b whole square form. A square is there, and this part is different. It has to be y square
Plus 9.
Positive 9.
positive 9, but one more term is there, minus 6y. This is correct.
So why one more time, sir?
I will tell you.
2ab.
This is y
Sorry.
minus 3 whole
The
square,
form of A minus B square.
y square plus minus 3 whole square plus 2 times
Yes, sir.
of y into minus 3.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, it is the
This is minus
identity. sir.
6y.
Yes, sir. It is
This is positive
identity
9.
of A minus B whole square.
Correct? We have to make use of the
Yes,
identity.
sir. Yes, sir.
In the next one also the identity should be used. Z plus
Yes,
5
sir.
whole
Same, sir.
square plus
Sir,
10z
sir,
is remaining.
one more time we can write, sir, 10Z.
Yes, Uday. Uday gets doubt every now and then. Yes, Uday. What is the syllabus
No,
for the
sir.
exam?
Sir, I don't know.
You
Sir,
don't know.
except rational numbers, all the chapters you taught, sir.
All chapters except rational numbers.
Except first chapter, all the chapters in total.
Okay, Uday, understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Ah,
sir.
Coming to this question, is it correct to write in this format 2a square minus 3b square?
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
2a whole square minus 3b whole square, sir.
2a whole square
2a
minus
minus
3b whole
3b
square.
whole square.
Yes, sir.
2a minus 3b whole square.
Still it
Sir,
is
it is in
wrong.
the form of a square minus b square, sir.
No, it is not in the form of a square minus b square. It is not at all there in any format, sir.
So Z
Identity
square
cannot
plus
be
25
used.
plus 2z5.
Sir, it is
10z.
used the same as 2a
See,
square minus 3b
in
square.
the identity, we have
Minus 30.
something like this, x plus
2a
y into
minus
x minus
3b.
y. Here, it is not x term. It is 2x term, no? So when we
Yes, sir.
multiply this, we have to multiply 2a with a minus b plus 3b should be multiplied to
3b
a minus b. So 2a square minus 2ab
minus 2ab plus
plus
3ab
3ab
minus 3b square.
minus
Minus
3b square.
3b square.
So we get 2a square. This becomes only ab minus 3b square. So here what is missing? AB term is missing. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very
So
good.
why only AB, sir?
Look at this, sir. Minus 2ab added to 3ab. 1ab remains.
Yes,
This is
yes.
larger, right? 3ab minus 2ab is ab.
Yes, sir.
Let's see 14th one. Is it correct? A square
Plus
plus
y
a?
into x minus
Sir,
y.
yes, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
Sir,
sir.
one more term is
No, sir.
missing, sir.
Then it should be
One more
x
term is
square.
The
missing.
One
identity
more
of
term
x
is
plus
missing.
y into
8
x
plus
plus a
8
into
plus 8
x
sir.
plus b, sir.
Let me use the identity. The identity which
Plus 6.
X
tells
plus
this
a
is
into x
x
plus
plus
b.
a into x plus b. Correct, sir? X plus a into x plus b is
It should
what?
be a square plus 6a plus 8.
6x.
X
Yes, sir.
square
6a.
plus a into
One more
a
term
plus
is
b
missing.
x
That is
Correct,
only
sir?
6a,
plus
sir.
ab.
8 is missing, sir.
Yes, sir.
6a, sir.
Here,
Plus
x square term is there. 8 is nothing but ab term. This
yes,
is
sir.
missing.
Yes, sir.
What is this?
A plus b term is missing, sir.
The 4.
6a, sir.
6a.
6a.
6.
Correct.
Plus 2, sir. 6a, sir.
6a. 6a was
Yes, sir.
missing in that. Look at question number 15. A minus
1.
4 multiplied to a minus 2.
Sir, one more term is missing, sir.
What is that term, sir?
The minus 6a.
Minus 6a. I say that still it is wrong.
6a.
Still it is wrong.
Sir, it will be
The,
minus
Sir,
6.
it should
the
not be
reason
6
is,
yes, sir. Only 6, sir.
no, sir. The reason is a square is x square. Correct. Minus a plus b is minus
Sir,
2
it should
added to
be
minus
a
4.
Plus
Sir, it should be a square minus 6a plus
Plus-
8, sir.
Correct, sir. Very good, very good, very good. It is plus 8. It has to be plus 8 here and
Yes,
minus
sir.
6 a term.
Sir,
Understood now?
a square minus 8a plus 8, sir.
8a. Where is 8a, sir? No, it's only 8.
Six
Minus
eight is
4. This minus 4 multiplied to minus 2 is positive 8. This one into a if you do, this is minus
Minus
6a.
What?
Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or
Let's look at this 16th one. Do we get 0?
It should be 1, sir.
One
It
will get
has to be 1.
one,
It
Yes,
sir.
sir.
should be 3x.
1 by 1 is equal to 1.
How
x
about
cube
this?
minus x square.
How about this? 1 plus 1, is it correct?
No, sir, you have to divide 3x
No,
square
sir.
by both the terms,
It
sir.
will be only one, sir.
You have to divide to both the terms and we will be getting 1 plus 1 by 3x square.
3x by 2.
Yes, sir.
Same way, this 3x should not be divided.
Yes, sir.
This is
And
wrong.
3x by 2, sir. We should get 3x by 2 and 1 plus.
If you want to write in that format, it is 3x divided by 3x plus 2. That's it. Nothing else. You cannot do anything here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this, can we cancel this 3?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No.
No, sir.
So
Sir,
this
in
is as it
7th
is.
and 8th
Sir,
question, we can take common
only
answer.
the
Wait. Say 7th and 8th question.
17th and 18th question, sir.
Okay,
17th and
17th
18th.
and 18th, we can take common. Na? What you can
Yes,
take
sir.
common, sir?
3x square and 3x, sir.
3x square you can take common. Na? How will you take common?
Yes, sir. We can take common.
I am
Sir,
asking how.
we can cancel.
Sir, 3x squared from above and below will become 1 plus 1 by 1.
Yes, sir. We can cancel, sir. So we get a product as a 1, sir.
Wait.
1 plus
It
1.
should be into plus, then only.
Sir, 3x should be taken, 3x square should be taken common, sir.
See, I have taken the question here. All right. Let's discuss. Can we take 3x square common in the numerator?
Yes.
No, sir.
See, if you
Because
want to take common, it should be
180.
something like this. If 10 plus 20 is there, 10 taken common, we will be getting 1 plus 2. Correct? If you
Yes,
apply
sir.
this method in this, you will be getting
The
3x
only
square
one
common,
will be common, sir. We cannot make
1 plus
1
1 by 3x square. This will remain divided by
sir.
3x square.
Yes, sir.
Earlier also I said this as the answer.
We
1
got the
plus
same
1 by
answer,
3x square. So this
So
particular
what is the
thing
answer?
is wrong. This is wrong.
Yes, sir. 1
Understood?
plus 1
Yes,
divided by
Understood this.
3x.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we cannot have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is not possible. This part is not possible. Yes. Moving back. 18th one. Can we take 3x common?
No.
No, sir. Positive 2 is there, sir.
Let me take that question again. 18th.
Sir, we can keep as it is, sir.
1 minute.
18th question,
Come
sir.
back. Okay, sir. 18th question. Look at this 18th one. If you want to take common, we can take common, but the things will be different like this. If 3x is taken out, 1 remains plus 2 by 3x will remain. Now you cancel, no issue. The answer is 1 upon 1 plus 2 by 3x. This is the answer. It cannot be 1 by 2. Clear?
Sir, why 1 upon, sir?
Yes.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we are
1.
dividing. We are
It
dividing
is-
3x by
It
3x.
is like 3x is multiplied to 1. It is like that. 3x into 1. If nothing is there, you have to consider into 1. So 1 divided by. Hope it's
Sir, not
clear.
answered, sir.
Sir?
not understood. What
Not,
you
not
saying?
understood. Very good. Let me explain in a different way now. This is for Uday. Uday,
Sir,
keep observing. I am going to write the same question but in a different way. 3x is same as 3x into 1 divided
yes,
by
sir.
3x plus 2. I will write into 3x divided by 3x. Did I change the question?
No, sir.
Question
No,
remains
sir.
same?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
question remains same. Here in the numerator there is 3x into 1. In the denominator I will take
3.
3x common. Here into 1 will be there, 1 will remain, plus here 3x is removed, so 2 by 3x will remain. Now you cancel 3x. The answer is 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3x.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. 20th one. Is the answer 5 correct?
No, no, sir. Wrong, sir.
It is wrong. Why it is wrong?
Sir,
Sir,
four
it
plus
should be
five
the
directly
sir,
divided.
1 plus
1 plus
5
5
divided
by
by
4x.
4x.
Very good, sir.
1
In
plus
this,
5 divided by 4x.
is this correct? It is not correct.
No,
What is correct?
no,
This?
sir.
7x by 5
Sir,
plus
it should
1.
be the 1 7x by 5 plus 1, sir.
Correct, sir.
Finish, sir, chapter.
Chapter is finished as per the textbook. But you will find very, very different
Yes, sir.
and difficult questions in exemplar. Okay. I have brought
Yes, sir.
in exemplar questions also. Let me show you. There are so many questions. More than 100 questions are there. And all those questions are very different. Let me show that. Here we have the questions from exemplar. There are plenty of questions. The starting 33 questions are objective type. Shall we answer these questions now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We'll go
sir.
for
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at the first one. Product of a monomial and a binomial is a
binomial.
Binomial.
Binomial, sir.
binomial. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It has to be binomial. The reason is if you consider a monomial multiplied to binomial, something like this, b plus c, we get ab plus ac.
B plus C.
Here there are two terms. Here there is one term, monomial multiplied to binomial, we get a binomial.
Sir, what if we kept the question x to the x multiplied to in bracket x plus x, sir?
X multiplied to x plus x. See,
Sorry.
Abhinav,
It will become 2x.
Abhinav, before
Monomial.
we solve, we have to identify whether it is a monomial or binomial. This is not a binomial. X plus x is 2x, it is a binomial.
Sir,
Yes,
2x,
sir.
sir.
So like
Sir,
that, we
But
have
it
to
is
identify first.
monomial.
If you consider x
Because
plus
they
y,
are
it's okay.
same.
Polynomial.
Yes, sir.
The x-
If you consider x plus y, it is okay. What is
Plus
x
XY.
multiplied to x? X square
X plus
X
plus
square,
xy.
sir.
Now you look at monomial multiplied to binomial, we get a binomial. Hope
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let's go to second question. In a polynomial, the exponents of the variables are always
non-negative
positive
integers.
integers. Sir, positive integers.
positive integers.
Yes, sir.
Here the options are integers, non-negative integers, non-positive integers.
Sir, option number B.
Sir, non-negative
Option
integers because
B.
0 is not a positive integer, sir. Non-negative integer.
Let me tell, option A is not possible. Option
Yes,
D
sir.
is
One
not
is
possible. In this, which one is correct? That we have to think now.
C, sir, because 0 is not a positive integer, sir.
0 is not a positive integer. When we take the set of integers,
non-negative.
these are
Yes.
called as negative integers. These are called as positive integers.
Positive answer.
When 0 is considered, we know that
Both.
0 is neither positive nor negative.
Yes, sir.
0 should be considered under
Yes, sir.
non-negative integers. The meaning of 0 is non-negative integers. So in a polynomial, it has to be non-negative integers. It's not just positive integers. It has to be non-negative integers. Taking question 3, which of the following is correct? A minus
Yes,
b whole
sir.
square is a square minus b
B,
square
sir.
plus 2ab.
Sir,
A
option
minus
B.
b whole square.
Should
B,
be
Option
Sir,
B is
option
correct.
number B, sir. A square plus B square minus 2ab.
So undoubtedly option B is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Question 4. The sum of
Sir.
minus 7 PQ and positive 2 PQ is.
Sir, minus 5
5 PQ.
minus 5 PQ.
Minus 5 PQ.
Is it not positive 5 PQ?
Sir, the greater number
No,
is
sir.
negative.
Yes.
Greater number minus signs.
It has to be
It's a
negative. Very good. Very good. Question 5. If we subtract this minus 3x square y square from x square y square, what do we get?
Minus 2x square y square.
4x square y square, sir. 4x square y square. D, sir. Option
4x square.
Here
Sir,
there are
option D.
two
Sir,
different
option
answers
number
for
D,
giving.
sir. 4x square y square.
4x
Option
square
number
y
D.
square.
Okay, okay, listen.
Change the signs.
Sir, 4x
Listen.
square y square, sir.
Ashutosh was saying earlier it is minus 2x square y square. Now he
Yes,
changed the answer.
sir.
Very
Now,
intelligent. This is correct. Why it is
sir,
correct?
here the minus
Yeah,
will
because
become
in the question
positive.
it is asking from x square y square, sir.
Okay, sir. It is like this.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
minus of minus will become plus, and the answer is this.
Yes, sir. Positive. Yes, sir. Option number D.
Okay, sir. A like term as 4m cube n square is m
Minus
cube
6
n square. M cube n square is there here in only one
Option. Yes,
Option
sir.
option number B.
B.
How,
Sir,
sir? Sir,
M
how?
cube.
Sir, M cube and
Uday,
M
M
cube,
cube
sir.
Sir,
n
option
square.
number
Yes,
M
sir.
cube n square.
They are same, sir.
C also is correct, no?
Yes.
Sir,
No, sir. No, sir. It is
No,
P.
sir, in this P is there, sir.
P is there.
P is there, sir. P.
Yes, sir. P is there.
There is P present, so P should not be
Yes, sir.
present. Correct. So
Yes, sir.
option
Option number B.
correct, sir. Look at question 7. Which of the following is a binomial?
Sir, binomial.
B, sir. B.
Sir, option D, 6 bracket a square plus b. D, sir.
Now I
Yes,
will
sir.
ask Ashutosh only. Ashutosh, is it
Yes,
a
sir.
binomial? 7a plus a.
No, sir.
Why,
No, sir.
Why?
It will become uh,
8.
sir, 14a.
14. How 14? Yeah.
7a plus a is equal to
7 into 2a, sir. It will become 14a.
Yes, sir. A plus A is equal to 2A.
First division
Multiplication
and
should be done.
multiplication.
No?
First multiplication.
This is 7a
Sir.
plus
7A.
a.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. It's a monomial. This will be 12 to 24.
24
Sir, it is
24 ABC.
binomial.
In this it is having 3 terms.
binomial.
Trinomial.
In this it is having 2 terms.
And D is the
So
right answer.
option D is the right answer.
Sum of A minus B plus C.
All right, sir. Question 8. We need to find the sum of these. Okay. Observe properly. A, here there is minus A. On addition, A term will get cancelled. B is negative A. Here it's positive. That also get cancelled. C, this is positive. This is again positive. 2C will be there. 2C has to be there. Plus AB should be there.
Sir, minus
Then
yes.
is plus
Sir,
AB, sir.
Minus BC.
Minus
plus AB only,
BC
sir.
minus AC. Where is this? 2C plus AB minus BC minus AC.
First one. First
Option
answer.
yes.
First one. A sir. Answer is A.
Option A.
2C plus AB plus
Sir,
minus
it is
AC
AC.
minus BC.
Correct.
AC is just not
AC is
yes,
negative,
sir.
no? AC is negative.
Yes sir.
BC is negative.
Yes, sir.
AB is positive. 2C is positive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Any doubt?
No,
No.
sir.
No.
If this type of question is there, you will be able to do it without writing,
Yes.
without solving
Yes, sir.
completely.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Product of the following monomials is, we need to multiply. First identify, here it is negative into negative positive. Positive into positive will be positive. So this option will not be there. So it is straight off.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minus into minus is equal to plus.
Option A. Option A.
Sir, option A.
Option
Option
A.
A,
A.
sir.
Option
Square
number
P
A
plus.
sir.
into P is P square.
96 P
Q
square
cube
plus
into
2.
Q
Minus
cube
plus
4.
Q four.
Yes sir.
P
Option
cube.
number A. Option
Sir,
number
B
A sir.
cube.
Option number A. Answer is A. I'm telling A.
Samartha. Option A is correct. If you tell it 100 times also, option A is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Naman. Question 10. Area of rectangle with length 4AB and breadth 6B square is.
Sir, 24 A B to the power before AB cube. Sir, 24 AB cube. B option, sir. B option. A B cube.
24 AB cube.
Option sir, volume
Option
of the
B.
rectangle box cuboid with a length 2AB. Sir, rectangular box cuboid.
Uday, what is the problem, sir?
No, sir.
You are talking to yourself?
No, sir.
You
I'm
talk to us
reading
there.
that. Yes, sir.
Yes, volume means it is length into breadth into height. When you
Sir,
multiply,
12.
Option A.
Sir, 12 A cube B C square, sir. Sir,
A
12
is
yes, sir.
there. A is there in all the three
12
terms.
A cube B
So A
C
cube is
square.
correct.
Sir, 12 A
B
cube
is
B
there
12
only
A cube
once.
B
Option
B
C
C
is
square,
there
sir.
And
twice.
C square.
Option number
Yes,
A.
sir.
Option
Option number
A.
A, sir.
A is correct answer.
Very good.
Product.
The product of 6A square minus 7B plus 5AB with 2AB is. When 2AB is multiplied to this, we get 12A cube B. 12A cube B is present in two of the options.
14 A.
So these two are ruled out. This one
Answer
and
is
this one
12
is
A
ruled out.
cube B
Sir,
minus 4
B
AB
is
square
asking
plus 10
12
AB.
A cube
Sir, option
B
B, sir.
minus
Option B
14
is
AB
correct.
square plus
Answer
10
is option B sir.
square B square.
Option
B.
B.
It's option B.
Option B.
Option B sir.
Sir, option number B, sir. 12 A cube B
One minute.
minus 14
Sujit,
A B square plus 10 A square B square.
Sujit, why option A is not correct?
So because in it a square and b square are not included, sir.
A square, B square, kahan pe?
And a square and b square should be there, no sir, it is not there.
So 2 multiplied to 5AB is 10 A square, B square. It is not there. Correct.
Yes,
Is that
sir.
the only reason?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. That is the only reason, sir.
Sir, only reason.
Yes, sir. Very good. The square of 3x minus 4y is.
Option D. 9x square plus 16y square minus 24xy sir. Because
D, sir.
all other
Yes,
are
Sir, option number D, sir.
Option D.
You have to use this identity.
Yes,
A
sir.
square
Square
plus B
plus
square
B
minus
square
2AB.
minus 2AB.
Minus 2AB.
Minus 2AB
Option.
is minus 24.
Yes,
Correct.
Which of
Option D
yes,
is
sir.
correct.
Option number D.
Why not option C, Uday?
Sir, because
Hmm.
sir, here positive is there, sir. Positive 24 is there, sir.
What is the term? 2AB term.
Sir,
So
positive.
2AB term should be negative. So minus
Yes,
24 xy. Very good, sir. Which of the following are like terms?
Option B.
Option number B, sir.
Option B, sir. Minus 5xy z square.
Yes.
X, Y, Z square, X, Y, Z square.
So, yes, sir. Option number B.
Correct, sir. The coefficient of y in the term minus y by 3 is
Minus
Option
1 by 3.
minus 1 by 3, sir.
Minus 1
option
by
C
3. Option
minus
number
1 by
3.
3. Very good. A square minus b square is equal to
Option
The
C.
a plus b
A minus B.
equal to a minus b, sir.
A minus B.
C, sir.
Option number 3. Common factor. Yes, sir.
question 17. You have to find the common factor.
Option D.
17 has to be common. Correct. 17 is
So,
common.
17 AB.
Yes, sir.
17 AB, sir. Because C is
17.
not.
17 ab, sir.
In this C term is missing now.
C not
17
exists,
AB.
So, yes, sir.
Sir, C is not there, sir.
Same way, square of 9x minus 7xy.
Sir, 81 is x square.
D, sir. Option D. 81 X square plus
Option
3
D.
X square Y square minus 63 X square Y.
These two are ruled out. These two
C,
are
sir.
ruled
C,
out.
sir. Option
In this, why D is wrong?
No, sir, B, C is.
Sir, 126. 2 times have to multiply 63.
Yes, sir. C, sir, answer C.
Here only AB is done. 2AB is missing. 2 is missing. Okay, sir.
Sir, in question
Factorized
number 16, I have a doubt.
question number 16. Yes. What is the
Sir,
doubt?
option A is also correct. A square minus B
Option
square is
A
A minus
is
B
not
whole square.
correct. Option
Sir,
A
but
is
that is
not
another
correct.
identity.
I will tell you. The reason also I will tell you.
It will be
Uh,
A plus.
Sir, it will become another
Sir,
identity,
A
sir.
minus B whole square is equal to A
one
minus B. A
Plus
minus B multiplied
square
2
minus
times.
A minus B whole square is equal to
observe this. Observe this. 5 square minus 4 square. Correct? 5
Yes,
square
sir.
is something like A square. 4 square is something like B square.
Yes, sir.
If you are saying that it is same as 5 minus 4 whole square, you just observe the answer. This is 25. This is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. Here 5 minus 4 is 1. Is
1
1
square.
and 9 same?
Oh,
Correct now? It cannot be same.
oh my God.
The
Yes,
reason
sir.
is here it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. In this,
Yes, sir.
we have minus b square. Here it is plus b square minus 2ab. That change is there.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Understood?
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Welcome. Question 19. Factorized form of. We need to factorize this. Then we have to identify the factors. Which method we have to do?
Regrouping
Sir,
and
like terms.
common factors,
Sir,
sir. Common
regrouping,
Grouping
sir.
like terms.
Sir, 23x is common in the first two terms.
23x is common in the first two terms. Very good, sir. We are just grouping them. In this 23x is common. Correct. What do we get? Y plus,
Sir,
sorry, y
23x
minus.
Option A. Option A, sir. 23x plus
minus
54
2x.
bracket. Y minus 2, sir. Option
In these two terms, there is plus 54
Sir,
common.
4 is common,
sir.
sir.
54 is a common, sir.
Y minus 2.
Option A.
So
Y
y minus
minus
2
2 is
into
common.
Y minus 2.
23x plus 54.
23x plus 54. First one is common.
First one. Any doubt in the question 19?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
All right, question 20. It's easy. Splitting middle term.
Yes, sir.
So this is minus 7 minus 3.
It's a minus 7 minus 3 R.
Which is the answer?
Sir,
I feel this is the answer. Option B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Option.
Minus 7 into minus 3 will become minus 10. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In first term, R
If,
square minus
if you are able to think in these lines, x minus a into x minus b identity is x square minus a plus b times of x plus ab. If you are thinking in this format, you will get it. Can you tell the answer of this?
D.
19 minus 2.
D, why D here?
C, sir, C.
Sir, D, sir. Option number D.
C, sir.
Option D.
C, C.
Option number D.
Yes, sir.
C, sir,
Because
C.
triple is equal to P square plus 9. No, sir. Option number D. Yes, sir.
D is correct, sir.
I
C.
feel
Option number
that
A.
option
Yes,
A
sir.
is correct.
3 plus 2
Sir,
is
minus 9
minus
plus
19.
3, right?
Minus 19 plus 2 is minus 17.
Very good. You have to
Sir,
think in those
option D.
lines. Minus 19 added to plus 2 will be minus 17. If you are taking option D,
Plus 17 is
19 minus 2 will be positive 17. Here we
Yes,
have
sir.
negative 17.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, when I was telling that MCQ questions will be asked, Abhinav started saying that we can multiply the factors and then we can think about the question, isn't it? It was Abhinav or
Myself,
Abhinav
sir.
was telling, yeah, Abhinav.
Yes.
We are following the same method here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
I am just looking at the numbers here. Minus 19 added to plus 2 is minus 17. Minus 19 into 2 is minus 38. So
Yes, sir.
you
Yes.
can identify the answer like that. Question 22.
Yes, sir.
On dividing 57 p square
Sir,
cube,
option C. Half PR. Option C.
half has to
Yes,
be
sir.
there. Okay,
Yes,
P
sir.
remains,
Option
R
1
remains.
by
Very
2
good.
PR.
Sir, half PR.
up here.
Very good. Half PR. Now on dividing P into 4P square minus 16 by 4P into P minus 2, we get. In such cases, if directly you cannot guess, you can solve and find it. In the numerator, 4 is common. We'll be getting P
Sir,
square
we can
minus
take
4.
common.
Correct, sir. I have taken common 4 as common. This 4 get cancels. This numerator is something like P plus 2 into P minus 2
Yes.
into P.
Sir, they have given 4P, sir.
Oh, 4P is also there. So P also get cancels. So the answer is P plus 2.
Plus 2.
Is
Yes,
it
C.
clear to
Plus 2.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Question 24. The common factor of 3AB and 2CD is
Plus
Sir,
or
one,
minus
sir.
1, sir. AB. Both.
Sir, 1, sir. Option number A, 1.
Both, sir. A plus or minus 1. Both, sir.
I said for class 8th, we will not be taking negative things. So answer 1 I will consider, minus 1 I will not take.
Sir, in exam.
In the examination, if you are writing both, I will give marks. Thinking that you know that negative terms also can be factors. And this question, no, it is like ambiguous question. It will not be asked. An irreducible factor of 24x square y square is
X.
Sir, what it means?
what is the
Sir,
meaning of
X, sir.
irreducible?
Common
All
factors, sir.
fractions can be reduced by taking X or Y or 24 as common, sir. X can't be reduced.
X,
X
sir. it
cannot
may
be
be.
reduced. This can be reduced as x into x. This can
Yes,
be
sir.
reduced as y into y.
Point to Y.
This can be reduced as 24 into x.
24 into
X.
So
X is not
x is left out.
1 into
Number of factors of a plus b whole square is
2, sir.
2, sir, 2.
y, sir?
2, sir.
Y.
A plus B.
A plus B into A plus B.
Correct, sir.
No,
A
sir.
plus
Only
b.
1. 1, sir. 1 will be the factor. A plus B only, sir. 1, sir.
A plus b into a plus b.
But both are same, no, sir. A plus B. Both are same.
Oh, application is stopping here. It's time up.
Yes, sir. It's 10-10.
Sir, we
All
can
right, we
take
shall continue these questions in the next session.
In next class.
Okay,
Tomorrow,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When
will you
exemplar
Thank you, sir.
square roots, cube roots, and
We will solve it little later. Or
Okay, sir.
if you want, I can share that file to you. You can keep
Yes,
trying.
sir. Yes, sir.
It is
Thank you,
available
sir.
in internet.
Yeah, it is available in internet. You have to search. You will get it.